Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make shrimp sauce for pasta. First, ensure you have 1 pound of shrimp, peeled and deveined. Next, mince 3 cloves of garlic and finely chop 1/4 cup of fresh parsley. Also, measure out 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 1/4 cup of dry white wine. Having these ingredients ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's start cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Once shimmering, add your minced garlic and sauté for about 30 seconds until it becomes fragrant. Be careful not to burn it. Then, add the prepared shrimp to the skillet and cook for just 2 to 3 minutes, or until they turn a beautiful pink color and are opaque. Don't overcook them. With the shrimp cooked, it's time to build our delicious sauce. Pour in 1/4 cup of dry white wine, letting it simmer for about 1 minute to reduce slightly. Next, stir in 1/2 cup of rich heavy cream and 1/4 cup of the starchy pasta water. This helps thicken the sauce. Finally, season generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a pinch of red pepper flakes for a little kick. To finish, add your cooked pasta directly into the skillet with the shrimp and sauce. Toss everything together until the pasta is well coated. Garnish generously with your fresh chopped parsley and a bright squeeze of lemon juice for extra zest. This dish is best served immediately. For easy meal prep, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers, along with other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.